High-ticket affiliate marketing involves promoting premium products and services that offer significantly higher commissions per sale compared to regular affiliate marketing. This strategy focuses on selling items with price points, often ranging from several hundred to thousands of dollars. The benefits of high-ticket affiliate marketing include higher earnings per sale, allowing marketers to reach their revenue goals faster. Additionally, fewer sales are needed to achieve substantial income, and the focus can be on providing quality rather than quantity. This method attracts a more targeted and engaged audience, enhancing conversion rates and building stronger customer relationships. Selecting the right high-ticket products is crucial for affiliate marketing success. Start by researching market trends to identify products that are currently in demand. Look for items with a proven track record of sales and positive customer feedback. It's also essential to choose products that align with your audience's interests and needs. Understanding your audience's pain points and preferences will help you select products they are more likely to purchase. Additionally, ensure the products offer substantial value, justifying their high price point, which will make it easier to convince your audience to invest in them. Building trust with your audience is essential for high-ticket affiliate marketing. Start by being transparent about the products you promote, including both their benefits and any potential drawbacks. Consistency in your messaging, posting schedule, and quality of content further strengthens the relationship with your audience. Providing continual value, such as insightful content, helpful tips, or exclusive offers, demonstrates your commitment to their needs. When your audience sees that you genuinely care about their success and are not just trying to make a quick sale, they are more likely to trust your recommendations and invest in high-ticket items. Choosing the right marketing channels is critical for promoting high-ticket items effectively. Webinars are excellent for high-ticket sales as they allow for detailed product demonstrations and real-time interaction with potential customers. Email marketing is another powerful tool, enabling personalized communication and follow-up with prospects. Social media platforms offer vast reach and various engagement opportunities, allowing you to leverage community building and influencer partnerships. Each of these channels has unique strengths, and using a combination of them can maximize your reach and conversion rates, ensuring your high-ticket products get the visibility and attention they deserve. Utilizing sales funnels effectively guides potential customers from initial awareness to final purchase. Start by creating compelling content that attracts and educates your audience about the high-ticket product. Next, use lead magnets like free ebooks or webinars to capture contact information and build your email list. Follow up with a series of nurturing emails that provide value and build trust. Offer case studies, testimonials, and detailed product information to address objections and highlight benefits. Finally, create a sense of urgency with limited-time offers or bonuses to encourage quick decision-making, ensuring a smooth transition from interest to conversion.